Hi Guy, it's Ian. I've obviously been here looking at your pump truck. I fitted that new valve for you. I must admit it didn't go in very easy. I really had to force and hammer that in. So, I mean, first off, that wasn't a good sign. But I don't think that's the reason it's not pumping. Obviously, upon further investigation, stripping this down, I actually had to strip the whole of this thrust plate here out to actually get that section out to even consider undoing that. I've done that, I fitted it all back together, but basically the whole of this chassis is seized, and that is why it's not pumping, because it's trying to pump against itself and nothing's actually happening. But I should be able to push that whole pump unit, just push it back, slide it in, and it is absolutely solid. I cannot move it at all. That is the furthest back I can get it, so I actually can't get it back in the A-frame at the moment. That's the reason why, mate. Unfortunately, I've given it everything I've got. I've been here an hour or so, but unfortunately I think we're going to have to call it quits on this, and obviously yeah, sort of give it a go. I don't know if you can actually have a look at those forks, but about here as well there's actually a bow and a bend in the chassis, so I reckon that's actually affecting the arms underneath as well. You can probably see where I do that, you can actually see the bow in there, which isn't good. So unfortunately, I'm afraid I've done everything I can, but it's not looking good. There's no point me even trying to get that back in there, because it's just not going to work. I've drained it of all the fluid anyway, but I can't even undo this. You'll see on the other side. Let me put this down, I'll show you. This top section here should unscrew and spin off. Basically, again, that's not wanting to know. I've even drilled a hole there and actually tried to punch it and free it round as well, and that hasn't worked either. So yeah, as I say, I'm sorry to say I have tried everything, but it's just not salvageable, unfortunately. All right, obviously I'll send this via email, and I'll send you an email as well. Speak to you soon. Bye.